So this is my broken Znen Tommy 125. I've just had to hacksaw off a broken nut here because it was cross-threaded and wouldn't come off, so that is now here. And this is all kinds of rusty and crappy. There's trying to find the nut that just sawed off. But basically, this crazy engine here has no compression, and obviously all the framework is all rusty, and I'm basically on a mission now to go over the whole frame, sand it down, get rid of all this rust, and then free up these shocks. I've got to sort out this brake here, down there, because it's rubbing and it's tight. Now I've got to sort out this brake caliper, and I know that one of these is really hard to get off. And then that's a suspension up there. So basically this is a video showing the current condition of the bike, and I'll post an update when I'm finished of what it will finish look like. That's a brand new clutch chassis, but for some reason it won't turn because there's something up with this back wheel, so I've got to free that up as well. And hopefully I can show you some positive end results. I think this is also on a clamp underneath here, I'm not sure, as I was going through. Yeah, so right down there in the bottom somewhere, it's fixed onto the lower frame. So that's the current situation we have.